Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Dr. DM Sirsat here from Department of Chemistry, Anandibai Raurane Arts, Commerce and Science College, Vaibhavadi. Friends, today we are deal with the very interesting concept is IUPAC nomenclature of bicyclic compound. Friends, we are familiar with the IUPAC nomenclature of alkane, alkene, alkyne, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid and so many functional group. But IUPAC nomenclature of bicyclic compound is a little bit different from the IUPAC nomenclature of this alkane, alkene, alkyne, aldehyde, ketone and so many functional group. Let's see what is exact IUPAC nomenclature of bicyclic compound. Basically, why is nomenclature necessary? What is importance of this IUPAC nomenclature? Why IUPAC nomenclature is important? Friends, organic chemistry is a vast branch as millions of organic compounds are already known and thousands of new compounds are being added to this list in every year. In order to facilitate the study of such large number of compounds, therefore it is necessary to classify the organic compounds. In order to classify these organic compounds, the term nomenclature comes into picture. That's why the IUPAC nomenclature is more important. Basically, organic chemistry is a very vast branch. In every year, millions of thousands of organic compounds are reported newly synthesized, and that's why the IUPAC nomenclature is very important. Next one is what is exact IUPAC system. Friends, IUPAC stands for International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. By using this IUPAC system, one can name any complex organic compound easily. The name assigned to an organic compound on the basis of latest IUPAC rule is known as systematic name. Okay, what is the features of IUPAC system? Number first, a given compound can be assigned only one name. Number second, this system is helpful in naming the complex organic compound. Number third, this system is helpful in naming the multifunctional group, multifunctional molecule. And number last, this is simple, systematic and scientific method for the nomenclature of organic compound. These are the exact IUPAC system. Next one is what is bicyclic compound, what are the types of bicyclic compound as well as IUPAC nomenclature of this bicyclic compound. See, alicyclic compounds containing more than one ring are called as general polycyclic compounds, and the compounds containing only two rings are called as bicyclic compound. If the alicyclic compound there is only two rings, these two rings are joined to each other, either carbon-carbon single bond or common carbon, is called as bicyclic compound. The classification of this bicyclic compound, there is basically three types. Number first, the compound in which two cyclic rings are joined by single bond. Number second is a spiro compound, means two cyclic rings joined to each other, joined together by one common carbon. This carbon is called as spiron or spirocarbon, and the compounds are called as spiro compounds. And number third is a fused ring or bridged structure in which same two rings are joined to each other by common carbons, two common carbons, and there is also bridge formation is called as fused ring or bridged structure. These are the basic three types of bicyclic compound. Let's see one by one and its IUPAC nomenclature. See, number first is a compounds in which two cyclic rings are joined by single bond. Okay, these are the best example. These two cyclic ring, number first three-membered ring, number second three-membered ring. These two rings are joined together by carbon-carbon single bond. These are the example of this type of compound. Okay, what is IUPAC nomenclature of such type of compound? See the rules for IUPAC nomenclature. Simple rules. Number first, larger ring considered as parent cycloalkane and smaller ring considered as substituent and written as prefix. Okay, if there is a two different types of rings, suppose number first is three-membered ring, number second is four-membered ring. Out of these two, which is larger? This larger ring is considered as parent cycloalkane and smaller ring considered as substituent and written as a prefix. Okay, then number second rule, larger ring numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to n number and smaller ring numbered as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash and 5 dash up to n dash number. Okay, and the numbering starts from point of attachment. These are the point of attachment, and from this point of attachment numbering starts. See, the 1, 2, 3 is a 3-membered ring, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash is again 3-membered ring. Okay, see the first example, the 3-membered ring is a larger and smaller. These two rings are same. So the one ring considered as parent cycloalkane and second considered as a substituent. So the name of this compound is a cyclopropyl, cyclopropane. Cyclopropyl is a prefix for this ring. Cyclopropane is considered as parent alkane. See the number second example, one is a 3-membered ring and second is a 4-membered ring. The 3-membered ring is considered as substituent, is a smaller ring is considered as substituent, and this larger ring considered as parent alkane. In this larger ring there is a 4 carbon, means parent alkane is a butane, structure is cyclic, means there is a cyclobutane, and as a prefix for this 3-membered ring is a cyclopropyl, cyclobutane. Okay. Then number third example, see, is a 3-membered ring, again 5-membered ring, is a prefix for this 3-membered ring is a cyclopropyl, and this parent alkane is a cyclopentane. Same 3-membered, 6-membered is a cyclopropyl, and is a 6-membered ring is a cyclohexane, is a parent alkane, and the smaller ring is it acts as a substituent. Okay. Then this 5-membered ring and 6-membered ring, in these 5 and 6, 5-membered is smaller ring, it acts as a substituent, and this larger ring it acts as a parent alkane. See the name of this compound is a cyclopentyl, cyclohexane, and in this last example these two rings are 6-membered ring, the name is a cyclohexyl, cyclohexane. It is a simple IUPAC nomenclature of this first type of bicyclic compound, in which these two rings are joined together by carbon-carbon single bond. See the number second, spiro compound. What is actual meaning of spiro compounds? What is actual meaning of spiron? When two rings are joined together by one common carbon, this type of bicyclic compound is called as spirons or spiro compound. See the best example is a 5-membered ring, is a 3-membered ring, but these two rings are joined together by one common carbon. This common carbon is called as spirocarbon, and these compounds are called as spirons or spiro compounds. Then IUPAC nomenclature of these spiro compounds. See the rules of this IUPAC nomenclature. There is a simple 5 rules. Number first rule, use prefix spiro followed by square bracket for mentioning the number of carbon atom in each ring, excluding the common carbon in ascending order separated by dot. See number first example, use prefix spiro, spiro prefix used, followed by square bracket for mentioning the number of carbon atom in each ring, excluding common carbon and separated by dot. This prefix spiro, then square bracket, in this square bracket there is a 2 and 4, means in this smaller ring there is a 2 carbon, and this larger ring there is a 4 carbon, excluding common carbon there is only 4 carbon, and arrange these two number in ascending order, number first 2 and then 4, complete the square bracket. Then number second rule, the square bracket followed by the name of parent alkane corresponding to the total number of carbon atom in the ring including spirocarbon. Simply write down the name of parent alkane including common carbon. In this structure there is a 7 carbon including this common carbon, then parent alkane is heptane. So the final name is a spiro 2,4-heptane. These are the basic and very important 2 rules of the IUPAC nomenclature of the spiro compounds. Number third rule is a common. The numbering starts from the atom which is directly bonded to spirocarbon, belongs to the smaller ring, then through spirocarbon into the larger ring. See the numbering, number first smaller ring, and this numbering starts from this point of attachment, means the carbon which is directly bonded to this common carbon. Number first smaller ring and through common carbon, then larger ring. These are the numbering of these spiro compounds. Then number fourth rule, if there is a unsaturation or functional group, then they receive lowest possible number. And the number fifth, If there is a substituent, then they are indicated before prefix pyro and they are arranged alphabetically. If there is any other substituent, then use proper prefix for this substituent and arrange before the spiro. If there is more than one substituent, then use proper prefix and arrange this substituent before prefix spiro alphabetically. These are the basic 5 rules of IUPAC nomenclature of spiro compound, and these are the best example. Number first example, spiro 2,4-heptane. Similarly, see number second, here what is a 5-membered ring, number second 4-membered ring. These two rings are joined together by one common carbon. Then IUPAC name of this compound, use prefix spiro followed by square bracket for mentioning the number of carbon atom in each ring excluding common carbon and separated by dot. Use the prefix spiro then square bracket for mentioning number of carbon atom in each ring excluding common carbon. Exclude this common carbon. Then in this ring, smaller ring, there is a 1, 2, 3 carbon. In larger ring, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, means 3, 4, these two number, arrange these two number in ascending order. And number second rule is a followed square bracket followed by name of parent alkane including common carbon, In this structure, there is a total 8 carbon, means parent alkane is octane, means IUPAC name is a spiro 3,4-octane. Okay. Next example is the same spiro 2,3-hexane. There is only 2 carbon excluding this common carbon, 3 carbon excluding this common carbon, spiro prefix in square bracket 2, 3 and hexane is a parent alkane. Next one is a spiro 4,5-decane. In this smaller ring 4, larger ring 5 excluding this common carbon, 5 number carbon. So the name of compound is spiro 4,5-decane. Okay. Then substituted spiro molecules, see in smaller ring there is a 2 carbon and in larger ring there is a 4 carbon. Okay. Number first, use prefix spiro followed by square bracket. In square bracket, number of carbon in smaller ring 2 carbon and in larger ring there is a 4 carbon. But for this larger ring there is one more substituent, methyl group, and the position of this methyl group is a 5 position. So the IUPAC name of this compound is a 5-methyl spiro 2,4 and total number of carbon is a 7, means parent alkane is heptane. Okay. See the next example, there is a 2 substituent, methyl and amino. Arrange these 2 substituent. Firstly, use proper prefix for this substituent and arrange these 2 substituent before prefix spiro. Position of amino group is a 2, second position means 2 amino, then 6 methyl, then prefix spiro in square bracket. In these 2 rings there is a 3 carbon and total number of carbon is a 7 carbon, means parent alkane is heptane. Similar there is a 2 ketone functional group. Name of this compound is a spiro 4,4-nona-1,6 dione molecule. Di means 2, one is a suffix for this ketone functional group. Next one, the spiro 4,5-deca-1,6 diene. Spiro is a prefix 4 and 5. In smaller ring there is a 4 carbon, in larger ring there is a 5 carbon. Deca means 10 carbon in total structure, and at 1 and 6 position there is a functional group, means alkene functional group, and suffix for this alkene means double bond is in, and for this 2 double bond use term diene. Okay. And last example is a 2 carboxylic acid, and the name of this compound is a spiro 2,4-heptane 1,5-dicarboxylic acid. These are the IUPAC nomenclature of spiro compound. See, number third and last is a fused ring or bridged ring structures. Okay. What is fused ring or bridged ring structures? When 2 rings are fused together by 2 common carbon atoms, this system is called as fused ring or bridged ring structures. See the example number first. In these 2 5-membered rings fused to each other by 2 common carbon is called as fused ring structure, and in this fusion there is a formation of one bridge. This compound is also called as bridged ring structures. Okay. Then IUPAC nomenclature of this fused ring structure. Okay. IUPAC nomenclature of this fused ring structure is similar to spiro compound. In case of spiro compound, used prefix spiro, but in case of this fused ring structure, used prefix bicyclo. Number second difference between spiro and this fused ring structure. In spiro, the number of carbon atoms in each ring is arranged in ascending order, but in case of this fused ring structure, number of carbon atom in each ring is arranged in descending order. See one by one. Number first rule, use prefix bicyclo followed by square bracket for mentioning the number of carbon atoms in each rings, excluding bridgehead carbon in descending order and separated by dot. Okay. See example, use prefix bicyclo followed by square bracket for mentioning the number of carbon atom in each ring. In this example, in each ring, see there is a 2 carbon first ring, there is a 2 carbon second, and for bridge there is 1 carbon, means 2 2 1. Okay. And in descending order means number first 2 2 and the last number 1. Okay. Number second, the square bracket followed by the name of parent alkane corresponding to the total number of carbon atoms in ring including spirocarbon. See, these are the name of parent alkane. The total number of carbon atoms in this structure is a 7 carbon, means parent alkane is a heptane. Then number third rule, the numbering starts from bridgehead carbon atom and belongs to larger ring and then smaller ring. In case of spiro compound, numbering starts from the carbon which is directly bonded to spirocarbon, first smaller ring, and through common carbon then goes to larger ring. But in case of bicyclo, is a reverse process. Numbering starts from bridgehead carbon and belongs to larger ring and then smaller ring. Okay. Then next rule, fourth rule, if there is a unsaturation or functional groups, then they receive lowest possible number, is the same rule. Number fifth rule, if there is a substituent, then they are indicated before the prefix spiro and they are arranged alphabetically. Okay. Means if there is a more than one substituent, then use prefix, proper prefix for this substituent and this prefix for this substituent and arrange this substituent before prefix bicyclo alphabetically. Okay. See the examples. Number first example, there is a 2 rings, 3-membered ring, bicyclo 1 1 0, bicyclo 1 1 0. Number second example is a bicyclo 1 1 pentane, total number of carbon is a 5 carbon. Similarly, this bicyclo 2 1 0, total number of carbon 5, means pentane. C is a bicyclo prefix and in each ring there is a 2 carbon, 2 2 2, is a total number of carbon 8 carbon, means octane. Next example is the same prefix bicyclo. In each ring there is a 2 2 carbon, 2 2 2, oct, 2 in, means at the second position there is a double bond and total number of carbon 8, means parent alkane is octane, and second position there is a double bond, means oct, 2 in. And similar to this, these are the examples of these bridged compounds or fused compounds. Okay. These are the IUPAC nomenclature of bicyclic compound. Thank you very much.